Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best microscope. Here are the top 3 microscopes that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. National Geographic Dual LED Student Microscope. This microscope allows for the dual functionality. One can use it as the compound or stereo microscope. It features a 50 pieces kit for the maximum convenience of students and frequent use. It offers the maximum magnification of 50x. The microscope offers great viewing angles and lets the young scientists to explore with absolute illumination. The microscope won't break the bank as it is available in an affordable price tag. At number 2. AmScope Dual Light Optical Glass Lens. The microscope is the best for kids eager to observe the miniature universe by their own eyes. It possesses LED lights at the bottom and on the top, illuminating the slides for optimal viewing. It offers the maximum magnification of 1000x. With the durable frame of metal, the microscope ensures lasting. With the 6-hole diaphragm, a condenser of single lens, fine focusing, and coaxial course, one can get the complete package. At number 1. My First Lab Duoscope Microscope. The First Lab is the blend of a stereo and compound microscope. It allows you to view and check the microscopic slides and 3-dimensional objects as well. The unit includes the 50 pieces kit for the immediate action and operation. It comes with the directing manual with easy instructions and real glass optics. The microscope offers 400x magnification as it comes with up to 40x glass objective along with 10x eyepieces. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.